Close to the airport in Tāhunanui, Nelson Junction is a new, high-profile development catering for home improvement, lifestyle and large format retail. With modular commercial leases on offer and an expected rise in customer activity, new car parking areas were acquired along the northern edge of the site alongside Jenkins Stream. To gain maximum land use, this 2.8 metre high DuraMesh retaining wall was designed to sit directly behind the proposed buildings with access roads incorporated into each end. The raised vegetated retaining wall will prevent flooding and blend in with the natural surroundings of the stream. Spanning over 130 metres with a 70-degree face angle, the wall was designed for surcharge loads typical of parking and vehicle access, adjusting in elevation as it drops to meet the existing road and main car park areas. Originally a cotton mill in the early 1940s, this site has steadily been developed over alluvial soils washed down from the Tāhunanui hills. Stratagrid geogrid reinforcement tiebacks enhance the wall's stability, with biowool and topsoil added to the inside of the DuraMesh panels to allow vegetation to grow. A safety barrier was also placed along the top of the wall. Cirtex offered comprehensive guidance during initial construction of the wall, offering advice and on-site support for preparing the levelling pad, placing and hog-reeing the panels, detailing the correct Stratagrid placement and fitting of biowool, as well as attaching the braces before adding topsoil layers and compacting the engineered fill. Precise grid adjustments were also required during the placement of the crash barrier along the top of the wall. Lightweight and easy to handle, able to be cut to create irregular shapes and vegetated by using biowool, DuraMesh panels combined with Stratagrid reinforcement geogrid created a highly successful solution to Nelson Junction's car parking needs.